pumpkin whoopie pies with a dark chocolate ganache filling. Now the ganache filling might sound fancy, but it's really easy to make. Finish off your pumpkin whoopie pies, you take your chocolate ganache that you've got here in your ziplock bag and you just cut off the tip and pipe the chocolate in a circle in the middle. Put as much as you want or as little as you want. I'd say as much as you can get in there without it dripping out, right? And then put the top on and there you have it. Pumpkin whoopie pie with chocolate ganache.